Winter is upon us and nobody wants to be outside washing the car in the freezing cold temperatures. That's why today we're going to show you guys an alternative method of washing your car that doesn't require any kind of running water whatsoever, and you can do it within the comfort of your own garage. Let's get started. Here's what you're going to need to get the job done. You're going to need some EcoSmart waterless wash, you're going to need a Mr. Sprayer atomizer, and you're going to need a whole lot of microfiber towels. Waterless wash is designed to allow you to safely wash your vehicle without running water. Now this right here is a pump sprayer, so all you have to do is basically pump it, spray it, and you're all good to go. You can also use it with a regular sprayer bottle. It's whatever your preference is, but I find that this is a lot easier if you're gonna do your entire vehicle. It saves you a lot of strain from your wrist, and basically all you gotta do is just pump it, spray it, that's it. All right, so enough with the mumbo jumbo. Let's grab all of our products and start washing this car. All right, so right now what I'm doing is I'm actually just pumping the Mr. Sprayer atomizer to make sure that it has enough pressure. That way we can go ahead and safely spray it onto the surface of the vehicle. And since I already have the product in here, all we're really gonna need now is just some microfiber towels, and that's it. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our way to the vehicle, and we're gonna basically spray an area at a time. You don't wanna just spray the entire vehicle and then start wiping it down like crazy. I'm gonna show you guys the proper method of how to use this product. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually just spray a light coat onto this little quarter section of the hood. And just like that, we're all done. We're gonna set down our Mr. Sprayer, and now we're gonna go ahead and start wiping it down with some microfiber towels. Now these microfiber towels aren't just any traditional microfiber towels. These are extremely high quality professional grade towels. Now one thing you always wanna make sure of before you use your towels is that you rip off the tag. So I'm gonna grab the tag, and just like that, we're safe from any kind of scratches that the tag may cause. Now, whenever you use a towel, I recommend using it in fours. So what you want to do is grab the towel and basically go ahead and fold it in half, and then fold it in half one more time. And just like that, your towel is all ready to use. Now, whenever you go ahead and wipe, you're not just going to go ahead and just throw it down and wipe straight down. What you want to do instead is you want to throw the towel down, and then as you wipe throughout the surface, you're going to be rolling your wrist. That way you don't create any kind of hard dirt lines. Because when you have hard dirt lines, you're accumulating all the dirt and grime on one border, and what's gonna happen is you're basically just gonna smear all that dirt all throughout the surface and scratch up your paint, which is something that you don't wanna do. So always make sure to roll your wrist as you wipe down the surface of your vehicle to ensure that you filter out the dirt and grime all throughout your towel and not create a hard dirt line. So as you guys can see right here, this is all the dirt that we've picked up. I know the car doesn't really look too dirty, but that's the great thing about waterless wash is that you can use it on a car that's lightly dirty, semi-dirty, or super dirty. It's all really your preference. And then after you basically wipe down a certain section, you can either go ahead and just flip it to the dry side of the towel, buff off the excess, or in my case, what I like to do is have a separate towel. Now this towel I dedicate for basically wiping off the excess residue of the waterless wash, simply because this product contains a wax. So one thing you may be noticing right now is that you may have like a little bit of a haze. Don't worry, it's not a problem. All you have to do is buff it in, because that haze is actually wax. So that wax is designed to shine and protect your paint. So figure that. You not only are you washing your car, you're shining it and you're protecting it all at once with one product. And that's how easy it is to use waterless wash. It's a very easy to use product. You can do it within the comfort of your own garage. You don't need running water. You don't need buckets. You don't need any kind of hoses, dirt traps, wash mitts. It's as easy as that. All right, guys. So now that I've shown you guys how to use waterless wash, now it's time for me to wash the rest of this vehicle. All right, guys. So we just finished washing the entire body of the vehicle with our EcoSmart waterless wash. The only thing that we have left to do are the wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and clean them up, and then we'll move on to the next thing. All right, guys, so we just finished washing the entire vehicle with our EcoSmart waterless wash. As you guys saw, it's fast, it's fun, it's easy, and you don't need any kind of running hoses, buckets, wash mitts, foam cans, or anything like that. The only thing that we have left to do is to hit up this dry trim. So we're gonna be using our VRP, which is a vinyl, rubber, and plastic protectant. We're gonna use this to restore it, shine it, and protect it all in one step. In the meantime, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys wanna pick up EcoSmart waterless wash or VRP, you can pick them up directly on our website or at your local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.